Hello, welcome to my video. My name is Max, and I'm going to be going over and discussing how to create a Bitcoin wallet. As in previous videos, there are many ways of creating and building a Bitcoin wallet. So in this one, we'll discuss one more way. To begin with, the wallet that we will be going over today will be what is known as a paper wallet. And by paper wallet, we mean exactly that. You'll build the wallet and then you'll download it as a paper. And you can either print it physically and keep it somewhere that you want, in your sock drawer or in your pocketbook or wherever in your wallet, or you can download it, save it as a PDF file, and then transfer it to a thumb drive or a memory stick and keep it offline until you're ready to use it. So let's go over how to do that, how to create your Bitcoin wallet, paper wallet. So what we're going to do, give me a moment here, we're going to go to this website, and don't worry, I will include it in the link. All right. We're going to go to that website. Oops, excuse me one second. All right, we're going to go to this website, bitcoin.com, and then we're going to scroll down. And there's two ways of making this wallet. The first way we're going to do it is online, and the second way we're going to do it is offline. Okay? Ignore this right here because this is talking about Bitcoin Cash. We'll go over how to create a Bitcoin Cash wallet in a future video. But for this one, we're just going to do Bitcoin. So we just come over here to this this link right here, this website, right click, and then open it up. And right here is how you create a Bitcoin wallet online. Right? You go to bitaddress.org. And then the way you generate it, as you can see, you'll see the percentage right here. The way you generate it is you take your mouse, and you just squish it around and swish it around the page. Make sure you swish it around a lot and as quickly as possible until it hits 100%. And then there's your wallet right there. Now, as we've discussed in previous videos, your created wallet, or the wallet that you have created, will give you two keys. It'll give you a public key. This is the one you share with everybody when you want to get paid. When you want somebody to pay you, you give them your public key. That's what this is going to be. And then this is your secret or your private key. You don't share that with anybody. You don't give your private key to anybody for any reason. All right? You give somebody your private key or your secret key, they'll be able to take all of your money. All right? So don't give anybody this key. Give everybody, all day, all night, give them this key, your public key, because this is the key that you're going to get paid through. Right? If somebody else wants you to pay them, or you want to pay them for whatever transaction, they're going to provide you with their public key or their share key. And then down here, there's some odd instructions. You can go ahead and read those. And then the way you put money into your account, into your wallet, is you go to a cryptocurrency ATM machine. They have them at several stores, several convenience stores nowadays, and several regular stores, department stores. And then what you're going to do is you can you're going to need to put this, save this to a PDF, and then add it to your phone. And then you're going to need your QR code, right? And you're going to need your phone. You take your phone to the cryptocurrency ATM, and then you put this this QR code over the ATM scanner. They'll ask you how much you want to put in. You give them the money. You're going to have to give them physical money, regular government money, which a lot of people in the cryptocurrency world call fiat money, that's backed by the government. You're going to need to take that amount of money and provide this public key, and that's where it's going to put your money. You know, however much you want to add to it, $5, $10, $25, $100, and you're going to put it in there. Once you go to the ATM, just read the instructions there. It's going to tell you, because each ATM, each bit or each cryptocurrency ATM is going to be a little bit different. So when you get there, you just read the instructions. They'll be right there on the machine. And in several places nowadays, you don't even have to do that. You just provide, you can go up to the store clerk and just provide your public key, give them the money, and then you can go home, and within however many times, usually it takes about 30 minutes, maybe a little longer, maybe a little less, your money will show up in here, right? And then what you can do is you can go to your exchange, your cryptocurrency exchange of choice, and then you can transfer your money from your key, from your public key. You'll probably need your private key as well, because that's where you're going to transfer your money from. And you'll transfer your money from your paper wallet into your exchange wallet. The exchange that I normally use is Coinbase, and I'll go ahead and include that as well as this information in the description below. The way you find a cryptocurrency ATM is you just choose your favorite browser, and then you type in cryptocurrency ATM space, and then your city, your state, city, and village. All right, you type that in there, whatever it is, and then press search or enter. And that will show you a list of cryptocurrency ATMs in your area, or even easier, if you have the location service activated on your phone, which you'll need to anyway, you can do a search from your cell phone. All right, so that's how you create a paper wallet for your Bitcoin address online. A better way of doing it, a more secure way, this is the online way of doing it. The offline and a more secure way of doing it is to scroll down. You don't even have to start over again. If you go to the same address, all right, and it's right here, bitaddress.org. It'll be on this website here, which I will include in the description, right? And instead of doing all this online, what you do is you scroll down. You'll see the GitHub repository, to where you can do the same thing as you're doing here, but you can do it offline. So what you do is you go to GitHub. The link will be right here at, on the bottom of bitaddress.org. You left click it. That'll take you to their GitHub account, where you can download this Bitcoin wallet generator. It is free. What you do is you come over here to where it says code, you left click on code, and it will provide you with the link to where you can download it, right? And then you just click on this button right here. Or let me see, how do you can click on this bottom link right here, and then it'll provide this pop-up will come up, and you can go ahead and download this, right? You download this onto your local computer, onto your computer. I downloaded it already. It's on my desktop. This is compatible with at least Linux. I'm using Linux Mint, or is compatible with Windows 10, right? You go ahead and download the Bitcoin wallet generator, right? And then you minimize your browser, and then here mine is right here, right? And so in order to do this securely, what you're going to need to do is, if you're connected to the internet through a wired through your wired Ethernet, you want to go ahead and unplug that so that you can generate this wallet offline, right? So you go ahead and unplug it. If you look at my icon, this is my network icon right here on the bottom, and then as you can see right here, if you follow my mouse, it says disconnected, right? The same thing as if you have a if you have a wireless connection, then you want to go ahead and disable that so that you can be offline, right? And so it doesn't matter whether you have Windows, Linux, or even Apple. You just come over here to your zip file, and you want to right click it, and you'll get the option either extract to or extract here. I always choose extract here. And then you'll get this folder here. This has all of the information you need, right? So you just double click on it with your left mouse button, and then right here you'll see where it says bitaddress.org.html. This is the generator. All of the rest of this is the code that helps your generator to work, as well as this right here. This is the source code. This is code here. It's JavaScript code to help the generator do what it needs to do. Now, like I say, I'm emphasizing this. Make sure that you're offline. You disconnect your Ethernet, you disconnect your wireless. Whichever way you are connected online, disconnect it. That's for security issues. That way this can be generated offline. And then the next thing you do is you just go to it and you double click on it. It'll open up in your favorite browser. And again, just like we did for online, you just go ahead and move your mouse around as quickly or as comfortably as you can, and you watch the percentage and you wait till it goes to 100%, and then this will go ahead and generate you a new Bitcoin wallet. You keep moving your mouse until it comes up. See, now it came up. This is the same thing again. You have a public key, which is share, and then you have a private key. You don't share your secret or your private key with anybody, right? And as I said before, you can go ahead and just print this and save it as a PDF to put on your phone, or you can put it into a thumb drive, and then you can keep that thumb drive offline so that nobody else can get to it. Nobody except you when you plug it into your computer. So when you put it onto a thumb drive or a memory stick, that is known as cold storage. If you save this as a PDF file and you keep it on your computer, that is known as warm storage or hot storage, I believe. I would strongly recommend that you do not keep any of your wallets on any type of computer, whether that be your local computer or someone else's computer, which may be an exchange. And if you do, we'll go over some security measures that can help you help this be a safer, more secure way for you if you do want to keep your wallet online. So that's basically it. Once you have this wallet, like I say, you just search for the nearest cryptocurrency exchange cryptocurrency ATM in your area. You go there, they'll have instructions on the ATM machine. It's not a regular ATM like your bank, it's a cryptocurrency ATM. All right, you just go to your local browser, like I said, or your local search engine, and you type that in, cryptocurrency ATM, and then your city and your state or village. All right, and then, like I said, an even quicker way of doing it is doing it on your smartphone. That way you'll have your locator on, and then it will go ahead and find it that way as well. Anyway, that's the best way. That's another way. This is my favorite way of creating wallets. I like this way because, number one, you don't have to give anybody your your bank information, your routing, or your banking account number. This is an easy way. All you got to do is, before you go to the cryptocurrency ATM, either go to a regular banking ATM or go to your bank, and you take out however much money you want to put into your paper wallet or into your Bitcoin wallet. If this is your first time or you're a beginner, I would suggest putting in a small amount, $10, $25, $50, anything that you don't really mind losing in case something happens, okay? Nothing's really going to happen. I know this is a video mostly for beginners, but this is very simple to do. Don't feel too scared. It's a very simple process. Once you go to the cryptocurrency ATM, the instructions are going to be there for you. All you got to do is follow the instructions. Like I said, sometimes they'll have a clerk that you could just give the money to and give them this information. Again, you do not want to give them your secret address. You just want to give them your public address. So when you go to put this in your phone, do not put this in your phone, right? Not the secret. You want to scan in your public one. This is the one you want to give to everybody. So you scan this one in. As you can see, there's a QR code for you. You scan that in. That'll go to your phone. Even if a hacker gets to that, the only thing he can do is just give you money or put money into this address. That's it. This is the one you do not want everybody else to have, okay? You don't want nobody to have this. All right, so hopefully that helps you out a lot. Thank you very much. I hope this video was very helpful to you. I hope it answered your questions. Please like and subscribe. I hope you have a good day or evening wherever you are. And thank you and goodbye.